What I have in this box is probably one of the sleekest, probably the coolest too, cassette deck that I could find online. You know, it's really slim. Forget about Murat's champagne series. This is a ADS, I believe it's pronounced Atelier C2. Now, it's not a C4. You know, that would have been cool to have. So I have this. Now the seller says it's worth. This is 20 pounds. Oh gosh. Now this does need some work done. When I was lifting it, this actually slid out. And it doesn't go and flush. That might be shipping damage. So I'm not expecting that to work. Check it out. You got your tape counter. Power button. Oh, these are soft. I thought they would be like tactile, but they're not. Little disappointing. Yeah, that's fine. Slider. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's a switch. That would be a button. And the C3 model and the C4 3 heads, they're being monitored button up here. VU meter. Line. That fuse. Oh, it's crooked. This needs a lot of work. Mic. ADS. Let's plug this in. So it's gonna go underneath my turntable there. Camera's about to die. Currently I'm using a Walkman D6C, which it sounds pretty good, but the frequency isn't that high. So things sound kind of a little bit too warm for me. Ooh. Oh, it's not flush because shipping damage. That looks like an easy fix. It's a little bit rust, but ooh, look at that. Okay, now this. That feels pretty good. I don't know what's FE. Oh, it came out during this period. So ferrite, I think it's called. Chrome, ferrochrome, and metal. Ah, interesting. That's really cool. Hopefully I don't get too much trouble. Let's get what's gonna prevent? Actually, I'm just testing. Let's play some Hatsune Miku. Okay. See if this works. I'm really excited. So on this my weird setup here, I opened the amp, line in. Yep, that's nice. Record device. I'm using a USB external sound card. Line in. All right. Whew. Let's see if this works. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, you can actually play while this is open. So. Oh, I guess you have to have a cassette in there? Oop, that does not sound good. As you can hear, something's trying to run, but it's not running. Whoa! It's trying. Shipping damage? Need a new belt? Guy said it works, but I guess it doesn't work. Alright. It was the be continue video, but for now, this is my project.